Imagine you open your laptop, you type a question, and within seconds, you get a perfect answer. It feels like magic, right? But here's the truth. ChatGPT doesn't actually think like a human. So how does it work? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Part 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. But instead of having a brain like us, it has been trained on a massive amount of text data. Books, websites, articles, conversations, basically a huge portion of the internet. It doesn't know things like a human. Instead, it predicts the best possible answer based on patterns. Think of it like this. It's not thinking. It's guessing very, very smartly. Part 2. How it actually works. Let's make this super simple. When you type something like, "Explain AI in simple terms," ChatGPT breaks your sentence into small pieces called tokens. Then it tries to predict what word should come next, and then the next, and the next. It's like autocomplete on steroids. But here's the powerful part. It has been trained using something called a neural network, which is designed to work similar to the human brain. This model is known as a language model, and it learns from billions of examples. So instead of memorizing answers, it learns patterns of how humans talk and write. Part 3. Why it feels so human. Now, you might be thinking, if it's just predicting words, why does it feel so real? Good question. That's because ChatGPT has been trained on human conversations. It understands tone, context, and even emotions to some level. So when you ask something serious, it responds seriously. When you ask something casual, it becomes more friendly. It adapts to you. That's why it feels like you're talking to a real person. Part 4. Real-life uses. Now, let's talk about why this matters. People are using ChatGPT for writing emails, creating YouTube scripts, learning new skills, even making money online.
For example, someone in the US might use it to start a freelance business, generate content ideas, build an online brand. So it's not just a chatbot, it's a powerful tool. So now you know the truth. ChatGPT doesn't think. It doesn't understand like humans. But it has learned patterns so well that it can feel human. And this is just the beginning. AI is growing fast, and those who understand it early will always stay ahead. If you want to learn more about AI and tech in simple ways, make sure to subscribe to Tech Mahadi. See you in the next video.